Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about maintaining the health of your Flexera One ITAM solution. This is really a key important feature to ensure that the data you're using for your ITAM program and respond to your audits is trustworthy, up to date, and being maintained in an automated fashion. Flexera has a couple helpful features and reports to help you maintain that. To do this, the easiest place to go is under our dashboard section and the SAM Operations Hub. This hub surfaces a fair amount of KPIs that are very important to ensuring the health of your data and your overall system. A good example is, do I have inventory that hasn't appeared in 30 days? So they were once seen on the network, but they have stopped being seen. Do I have beacons that are not uploading their inventory anymore? Or do I have orphaned VMs without host? Each of these different KPIs can drive to a different success factor in your overall ITAM solution. We're going to explain to you what the KPI actually is measuring, the number of issues that we're seeing with this KPI, the total amount of devices or items applied to this KPI, as well as a KPI percentage. Then we're going to rate your overall performance, whether you're doing good, bad, or fair. So for example, right now I can see in my environment, I have a lot of inventory that's out of date. So if I want to dig a little deeper into that, I can click on out of date inventory and it will take me directly to the report to show me all of my out of date inventory by default for 30 days, 60, or 90 days. That is just one example of the many different KPIs that you can drive by using Flexera One's SAM Operations Hub. Hopefully, this has given you information about where to get KPIs and why these are important today. Thank you.